So far, the day has been stayed muted, specifically for gold, crude oil, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. We have seen little swings and a range-bound movement here. And what about gold specifically? If we talk about, have we seen the highs now for gold? Are we looking forward to a reversal here? Are the prices going to drop today, or this is just a sideways movement before the big breakout here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold, crude oil, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates so that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with crude oil. In the end, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones washed till the end. On the hourly charts, if you look at the gold's movement, see after this big drop, what we had seen a drop here, retracement, double top. This also we had discussed that following double top, we might see a hit. Lower lows were seen. Now, since creating lower lows, look at the move. First rise, then little retracement, second higher highs. It could follow up with a slight retracement, but it is pretty important for gold to first breach and trade below 3640, 3638 zone, only below which we can expect slight bearishness. Else, as long as 3640, 3638 is not taken, do not treat gold as bearish. Now see what has happened here. Big rise, then a slight retracement, higher lows. Now lower highs, very, very important. It has failed to trade beyond 3660. That is one crucial milestone it has to trade above. Trying to reverse here. The possibility is there that it may try to move towards 3648 and 3640 levels. A breach below 3640 is a clear indication of further bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2-hour charts, when you see similar observation here, it is possible that a slight retracement can be expected, but right now it is not showing such aggressive bearishness here. Look at the moving averages. Since the crossover, the price is trading with moderate bearishness here. Also lower highs are seen. This is also equally important. So now from this, one thing is clear. The buying entry now in gold is only if you see it is staying above 3660. That is pretty clear. If you see it is staying above 3660, you can initiate the buy. 3658.60 is a good resistance zone for gold so far. Moving averages converged here. Stochastic MACD is rising since the crossover at the bottom. Supportive sign for further bullishness. RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at the 3-hour charts, lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. Once it trades below 3648, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 3640, and once it trades below 3640, that is the time you can say this is a breakout here. See what is happening. Notice it is consistently delivering lower lows and it is also delivering lower highs. This is a bearish channel. It has to trade beyond 3660, and then what did we discuss? See, first crucial milestone for gold on the upside is going to be towards 3674.76, and then 3684, then 3693 key levels on the upside. As long as gold trades below 3690, we should not be treating this as bullish. That is pretty clear here. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD traded bearish, trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. RSI almost staying flat. On the 4-hour charts, when you see, look at the preceding two candles, comes with lower highs, lower lows. Very, very important for gold to trade below 3640. That is the only level below which we can expect bearishness. Again and again, I am highlighting these levels. We have been discussing this since earlier today. I have mentioned very clearly that prices have seen a very good support here. It is pretty crucial for gold to trade below this in order to confirm further downside. Now, if you look at the recent move here, see first rise, retracement here, second rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, slightly higher lows are seen. Once it trades below 3640, the next support zone is going to be towards 3630, and if that is taken, it is possible 3620 will be breached, and then I will be looking at 3600 and 3580 levels. This is the zone which I will be targeting if at all it trades below 3620 mark. Stochastic is showing a rise here. The MACD has traded enough bearish, waiting for a crossover here. RSI is comfortably placed. Coming to the daily, now see on the daily charts what gold has done so far. Look at this move. See, first of all, a consolidation was seen around 3620, 3640 zone here. Then a big rise has appeared towards 370810 levels, and then it has come down towards the same zone. Now it is possible for gold that this could be the first bounce back candle, and from here it starts and resumes another bullish trend. This possibility exists, but when you look at the divergence of the price from the moving average, the 20 period is sitting at 3590 and the median of the Bollinger Bands around 3580. So this zone is what there is a possibility that gold might try to achieve. But let's look at the last two candles. You can see bearishness was there, but diminishing bearishness. Today what it did, it has started with lower higher lows and it has bounced back. Now I'll wait for the US session. What would happen? It can see it has formed the wick here. if it starts to reverse and trades below 3640 and 3630, there could be a bigger dump here. There could be a bigger dump which could take the prices towards 3600 or 3580 levels. Be alert for this, it could still drop from here. Stochastic looking downwards, see the MACD has just crossed over. This suggests that possibly the next few candles might confirm a slight bearish trend, specifically as long as it stays below 3690. I will not expect gold to confirm the bullishness. Once it trades beyond 3690, we are looking at higher highs from here, where it is going to move towards 3730 or higher levels. So now considering this, what should be our strategy? Look at the RSI. This is also coming out of the overbought zone. So what should be our strategy? Where you should buy? And before I give you the buying and selling entries with the targets, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to join my mentorship batch. The current batch started this week. What you get in mentorship batch, all the tools, techniques, strategies, along with the opportunity to rejoin any of the live classes again anytime in future if you want to retake. Also, you get the recordings, and yes, you'll be part of our students alumni signals channel as well. Join it today and enjoy the benefits. Else, you can be part of my premium signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So, first is where you can sell. I will recommend you to sell here at 36, 50, 48 levels here. If it trades below this, expect it to move towards 36, 40. 38, the next target zone. If at all this is taken, then you can say now this is time for gold to show bearishness. Now we are looking at 3630, 3618, 20, and if this is taken, ideally we are looking at 3600 and 3580 as well. Possibility exists, but this is just on the sell side. Right now it is not showing such aggressive bearishness. Where to buy? I will only now recommend you to buy at 3658, 60 levels. If it trades beyond this, stay bullish for 36, 60, 68. If this is taken, you can expect 36, 74, 76. Now, this is one crucial level which gold has to trade above. So beyond 36, 74, 76, it is 36, 82, 84. And if this is taken, then the next critical milestone is at 36.90. Now till 36.90, I will not be treating gold as bullish. That is pretty clear. As long as this is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish. Once it trades beyond this, expect 37.10, 37.30, and then 37.50 levels as the next target levels. I'm not looking forward to such a move, though these are markets and this is gold, it can do anything and everything. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. See what oil did today, lower lows it is achieved, and see what did we discuss till 62.5 and 62.3 zone is not taken. Do not treat oil as bearish. What has happened? Moving close to 62.5, now price is reversing. In fact, it is turning green. See, the bearish candles were smaller in shape and now it is trying to post bullishness here. I'll wait for now oil to trade beyond 63.4 levels. That is the level beyond which you can expect it to trade bullish. If at all it stays beyond 63.4, that's the possible beginning of a reversal here. Yes, see the move here, rise, then retracement. It has taken multiple candles, and now once it breaks out, it is going to post a stronger bullish moves here. Let's wait for this. Right now it is not suggestive of such a great move. If you see the stochastic, this is rising from the oversold levels. The MACD has traded enough bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is rising, which is also a supportive sign for further rise here. Look at 2 hour. Similar observation on the 2 hour chart. See, lower lows are seen. Connect the highs here. Lower highs are seen. Very, very important. 63.2, 63.4. Once it trades beyond, you can expect oil to trade bullish. You can expect 63.8, 64. And if that is taken, we are looking forward to a greater rise. It can form a double top or in fact move higher. Stochastic rising. The MACD has traded enough bearish. Look at the waves here. This is what we had discussed yesterday and today as well, that the bearishness here might continue, might stretch for a while, and that is what has happened. Now time for it to cross over. Let's wait. RSI rising sharply, coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, one more observation. See, first it has created a bottom here. Now it is trying to possibly keep itself intact in this moderately bullish channel. Definitely the current move is going to be pretty important. If at all, even if it trades beyond 63.2, you can buy here. When the lower price trades above 63.2, you can buy. Very, very crucial for oil to trade beyond 63.4 first, and then if that is taken, then 63.8, 64 should be the next targets here. Moving averages have started to converge for a sell crossover. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD trading bearish looking downwards. RSI is also trading bearish here. On the 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour chart, see diminishing bearishness here. You can see lower highs and lower lows are seen now trying to reverse till 63.2, 63.4 zone is not taken. You have to be careful. And then 63.8, 64 zone. As long as it stays below 64, it's not yet a reversal confirmation. Though when you look at largely see forming the double bottom rise retracement, and now it has formed a nice flag and waiting for a breakout here. We have to still wait for it to confirm this breakout move. Also notice on the downside 62.5, 62.3. Again, very crucial for oil to break below, because once it trades below this, expect it to move towards 61.8 and 61.5. The strongest support here. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading sharply bearish looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to on the daily charts, when you look at the move here, see first of all a very good support is created at 61.5, then lower highs, possibly it might form a squeeze. But what's happening right now, see what has happened here, drop, retracement, 3 to 4 candles, then a bigger drop has appeared, then a bigger retracement. So higher highs and higher lows. This is a bullish retracement channel. Only reversal confirmation is when oil trades beyond 66 till 66. It is not yet a bullish reversal. The moving averages here are trading with divergence and bearishness. Also there it is giving a very good resistance to crude oil here. So if it trades beyond 63.2, 63.4, possibly this could pull the prices higher towards 64 and in fact 64.5 levels here. And if it closes in green today, remember the coming week is going to be equally strongly bullish. The week might open with a gap up here towards 66. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is in green, the RSI is staying flat. So considering this, what I'll do, where you should buy. Now, before I give you the buying trade, do not miss to join the mentorship batch. And else, if you do not want to learn, because my preference, my recommendation is always on learning first. So do join the mentorship batch. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals also you can profit. And yes, do join the recommended brokers. So 63.2 you can buy. Expect 63.4, 63.5 as the first target. Good resistance here. 63.8, 64 as the next. Staying beyond 64, stay bullish for 64.5 this time, and then 65.1, 66 will be seen very, very, very soon. Right now, it is not showing much strength here. You have to be cautious. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 62.75. Expect 62.5, 62.3 as the first target. If at all it trades below 62.5, 62.3, expect 61.8 as the next, and then 61.5, the most crucial one. Any slide below 61.5 is a sign of a breakout towards 60, which is a crucial support here on the downside. Trade accordingly. Let's move to NASDAQ 100. See, Tech 100 traded with moderate bearishness so far for the day. It is trying to come out of this bearish channel. Very, very important for Tech 100 to trade beyond 24, 520, 540 zone. Only and only if you see Tech 100 trading beyond 24, 520, 540, you can say now this is a bullish reversal, and then we can look forward to another round of rise. As it is still staying sideways, we can in fact expect a reversal from these levels. Stochastic rising. The MACD is trading enough bearish. RSI is staying flat. On the 2-hour charts, when you look at, now see the 2-hour charts, look at this move. This was a stretched bearishness, then this higher highs. Now it is posted a good drop here, and if at all now it trades below 24,400, that is the point of time you can say now the bears are back. And the most critical one first is for Tech 100 to trade beyond 24,300, 320. That is the first support zone, and below that 24,200. If these two levels are taken, it is going to deliver a massive down move. Right now the 20 period is offering it a very, very good support. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over and it is trading bearish looking downwards. RSI almost flat here. Look at 3-hour. Similar observation on the 3-hour charts here. Lower highs, lower lows. Till for 24, 520 is not taken. You should not be treating this as bullish. That is pretty clear. Stochastic trying to rise while the MACD has just crossed over, and the RSI is staying flat. On the 4-hour, similar observation on the 4-hour chart. See the top here 24,500, couple of bearish candles, then a swing here. This current one trying to break out. Even if you see it is staying beyond 24,440, you can take a sell here. Expect 24,400, and once it trades beyond 24,400, 360, and then 300, 320. Till 300, 320, do not treat this as bearish. Below 24,300, 320, you can look forward to a greater down move. Look at the move here, rise, retracement, bigger rise might follow with a bigger retracement. The lows here are all the way towards 24,200 levels. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover, RSI is sitting at the top. So looking at this, What you can do, where you can buy, I will only now recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 24 520 540 zone. If it trades beyond this, stay bullish for 24 600 660 720 and then 800. Beyond 800, sky is the limit. I am not looking forward to any such move here towards at least 24 800. I do not see this move happening today. But yes, these are market what I don't see that deliver the same. Below 24 400, you can take a sell. Expect 24 360, 300 320. And if this is taken, then 250 and 200. Below 24 200, I think we can stay short for 24,000 levels very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow. If you look at US30 on the hourly charts, after creating this base here at 45 700 watt, we had seen higher lows and higher highs. It is keeping itself intact in this bullish channel. But for the day, I will wait for it to trade beyond 46 300 mark. That is the only level beyond which you can expect slight bullishness. Even if you see it is staying beyond 46 250 260, you can initiate a buys. What's happening here? You can see this drop, retracement, drop, same levels, retracement. Now if it trades below 46 100, 40 levels itself, 130 levels itself, take a sell. And be careful of 46090 and 46050 levels. If at all it trades below 46050, you can expect a greater down move. Stochastic rising, MACD trading bearish, RSI staying flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here on the 2-hour chart. See a flat basis seen wins 46 100 is offering it a very crucial support here, very crucial for US30 to trade below 46 100 levels. See these candles here and see this as well. So this was the previous resistance. Now this should be a very good support here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a sell, the RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour, similar observation here. Lower highs are seen. One thing is clear that till 46 to 250 260, we are not going to initiate a buying trade in US30 as long as 46 250 260 is not taken. On the downside, 46080 46050 is the most critical support zone, and below that you can expect aggressive bearishness. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD just crossed over, trading with slight bearishness. RSI staying flat. On the 4-hour, see what it has done with this move. It has just kissed the 20 period and trying to break out. But I do see this as lower high, so it can still possibly reverse and take a dip. Any move beyond 46080, 46050 is what you should watch out for. Till 46,000, it has got very good support, and below 46,000, this time we can see 45,900. Now see this move, rise, retracement, bigger rise. So possibly this could retrace bigger, which means 45,800 has to be there very soon. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD trying to convert, the RSI staying flat. Coming to the daily charts. Now see what has happened on the daily charts. First of all, the support is created here. Also today, it has created a big tail and it can still bounce back and move towards higher highs. First thing, either it trades below 46,000 levels, 45,800 levels. That will be the confirmation of bearishness. As long as 45,800, 46,000 zone is not taken in US30, do not trade this as bearish. What could happen till here? It can bounce back again and deliver a strongly bullish candle. And thus, if this time it trades beyond 46 to 4250, you can expect it to move towards 46 400. And then in fact 46 500 levels can be expected. Beyond it, sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI flat. So considering this, what I will recommend here. First, a buying entry I will recommend is at 46 240 levels. Expect 46 300 and then 46 400. If at all it trades beyond 46 400, stay bullish for 46 520 and 46 650. If this is also taken, then 46 800 next. These are markets and this is Dow Jones. It can show you extreme volatile wild moves. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 44 140. Expect 44 100 080. If this is taken, then also I'll say 44,050 should be a very good support. If this is taken, then you can expect 40. So this is 46, not 44. Again, I am correcting here, 46,050. And if it trades below 46,050, you can expect 45,970, 45,900, and then 45,800. Till 45,700, US30 has got very good support. Specifically till 45,800, it has got extremely strong support. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again with my weekly forecast tomorrow. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.